In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an account statement email using Floe Email Builder. First of all, I select an email type with no content and set the width and the language. Now I can start adding some content. First, I search in the library for a header block. I copy this from the library in order to make changes for this email. Next, I add a text block and add some text manually, just using the rich text editor. I can add images, tables and links easily. Here I quickly add a link. I use the editor to add styling to the text, like the font size, and making things bold. I can add further styling to the content block using the block properties. For the next block, I can paste in a table and then make styling changes. When I see corrections to other email blocks, then I can make them easily too. For the next block, I'm going to add in HTML code directly, and then under properties, change some of the styling. And now I can add in some more content from the library. First of all, some images and links. Secondly, a marketing banner. And then finally, some disclaimer text. And just rearrange that. Okay, so we've got all our content now. I can save and preview the template. In this case, I want to make some corrections to the header section, so I'm going to change those properties now. Now I can save and then add some test data in the SAP backend system. Then using the test trigger function, I can see the final email with that data from SAP inside. That's how easy it is to build an SAP output with Floe. You can replace SAPScripts and Adobe Forms with Floe and put business users in charge.